This will be Ann Mandalas 2. We are continuing now. What we are doing with these, we are putting them in the order of the month. So this was March, and we're starting on the 20th. Now also you'll notice how each of these is different. These have different designs. And what you'll notice here is that each design is done with certain colors to match the design that they come from. And when Anne does these, as I've mentioned before, she's very concentrated on these, because concentration is part of what you need to do these in the first place. But on the second hand, concentration is a result. It's also a result for those who view them if they watch them long enough. So when you're watching these, you should pause this actually and look at each one for a while, so that you have some idea of the power of these. And of course there are also books on mandalas to explain some of their origin and meaning. Now look at this one, for example. Also, you have to count the number of lines going up and down or around and compare the count. Some of them it's easy to do, and some of them it's difficult to do. This one is a good example of how she uses colors to make them appear as if they are in another dimension altogether. You notice this one as well, the same thing. This one is another one particularly good for that reason. So these are all of those from that date. So we will do Ann Mandalas 3 very soon.